What's up?
Not much, you.
How's it going?
Pretty good, thanks.
What's happening?
Just the usual stuff.
How's your day?
Busy, but good.
What are you doing?
Just some paperwork.
How's the family?
They're great, thanks.
What's for lunch?
Thinking of a salad.
How was the trip?
It was awesome.
How's the weather there?
It's been pretty nice.
How's the new apartment?
Cozy and close to everything.
How's your evening routine?
Dinner, then some reading.
How's the diet going?
It's tough but worth it.
What's been the highlight of your day?
Found $5 in my coat pocket.
How's your sister's new job?
She loves it. She says it's a great change.
How's your dad's cooking experiment going?
He's getting better, no kitchen disasters lately.
What's your workout routine?
I jog every morning.
How's the new laptop?
It's super fast.
What's new in your world?
Not much, just the same old routine.
What's for dinner tonight?
Might order some pizza.
What's your favorite weekend activity?
I love going to the farmer's market.
How's your cat?
As lazy as ever.
How's the new restaurant you tried?
Delicious. I'll definitely eat again.
How's the new bike?
It's great, really smooth ride.
How's the new baking challenge?
Made some delicious cookies.
How's the new hobby?
It's fun, trying to get better at it.
How's the new guitar?
I'm getting the hang of it.
What's your favorite quick breakfast?
A smoothie, it's fast and healthy.
How's the new neighbor?
Seems nice. We've said hello a few times.
What's happening at work?
The usual, just deadlines and meetings.
What's your favorite thing about your town?
It's small but has everything I need.
Now it's your turn to speak English. I'll be speaking first-person dialogues and you will be speaking second-person dialogues. Let's get started. What's up? How's it going? What's happening? How's your day? What are you doing? How's the family? What's for lunch? How was the trip? How's the weather there? How's the new apartment? How's your evening routine? How's the diet going? What's been the highlight of your day? How's your sister's new job? How's your dad's cooking experiment going? What's your workout routine? How's the new laptop? What's new in your world? What's for dinner tonight? What's your favorite weekend activity?